back to the channel. So, got a lot of mowing here to do with our little push mower. My brother has his lawn mower he just got running. He's gonna be bringing that down and probably mowing over there and maybe a little bit over in here. But I gotta try and get all this because we got some company coming tomorrow to fish. So we gotta get this somewhat cleaned up. We're gonna be putting concrete in here eventually as one of our future plans that we have. I was just walking and found this. It's a 6 leaf. There's a four leaf clover right there. 4 leaf clover right there. 6 leaf right there. Nice thing. I can find 4 leaf clovers, 5 leaf clovers, 6 leaf clovers, 7 leaf clovers. I'm just walking. I just looked down, right there they are. But anyhow, what I was saying is putting concrete in here is one of our future plans that we have. We wanted to put some in here when we built this, but we didn't get to that yet. We used some concrete and put here just to put our grills and stuff on, but we gotta do all this here. That means we'll probably have to get some more stone lay in here because when we get rain, you can see how it's wet. There's water puddles up in here and just lays in here. So that is one of our plans that we have for here. That'll get rid of all these weeds in here. And then another thing we want to do is make a dock. That's what them piers are for. Right there, the pillars is putting the dock out there. But, alright, enough talking. I'll stay up on the tripod and we'll see what we can't get done here. Like I said, he's going to be bringing his mower down here. As small, like a 30, probably like a 38 inch deck or something like that. So he's going to mow some over there. See what he can't get done. But, alright. Probably most of this will be a time lapse. Here we go. we're just gonna continue to ignore that. He should be able to get in here with the mower now. I got up to here with the deck on the lowboy, so he should be able to get that. I'm not gonna do any more here and out through there, just because of how wet it is. But that's pretty good. I mean, we gotta get the weed whacker down here yet, but ain't gonna get it perfect. I'll probably move that and we'll get here yet. Maybe see what I can get along there. We have rocks here, obviously, so I gotta be careful what I can get there. And then, of course, I'll come over on this side. And it should be good. We're just trying to get most of the tall weeds knocked down. But yeah, so we'll go over there and move that and get that finished up over there. She ain't running too hot. That's fine, we'll ignore that. So I got that in there, done. That's good enough for now. Like I said, we're gonna get the weed whackers down here one day whenever it dries off. And we'll get all these banks cleaned up. Probably just or along here. That bank over there we'll just ignore. Maybe over there. So we're just gonna leave that bank. That neighbor up there don't like us. Alright. That's gonna be it for this episode. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.
First step to making people mad. Pouring oil on the ground.
This is about to get very hot very quick.
Oh, that wasn't as impressive as I thought it was going to be.
That was boring.
It'll burn it off.